Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. We follow Christ in ordinances of humility. May 30th. We strive for perfection. If I then, your Lord and Master, have washed your feet, ye also ought to wash one another's feet. For I have given you an example that ye should do as I have done to you. John chapter 13, verses 14 and 15. When the disciples entered the supper room, their hearts were full of resentful feelings. Judas pressed next to Christ on the left side, John on the right. If there was a highest place, Judas was determined to have it, and that place was thought to be next to Christ. Another cause of dissension had arisen. At a feast, it was customary for servants to wash the feet of the guests. The pitcher, the basin, and the towel were ready for feet washing, but no servant was present, and it was the disciples' part to perform it. Jesus waited for a time to see what they would do. Then he, the divine teacher, rose from the table. Laying aside the outer garment that would have impeded his movements, he took a towel and girded himself. After that, he poured water into the basin and began to wash the disciples' feet. So Christ expressed his love to his disciples. The celebration of these ordinances is the fulfilling of the command, "If I then, your Lord and Master, have washed your feet, ye also ought to wash one another's feet." What a place is this for hushing controversies, for forgiving those who have done us any injury. This is the time, if one has anything against his brother, to make it right, to settle every difficulty. Let there be mutual forgiveness. Let no strange fire be brought to the altar. Let no malice, no hatred be cherished by those who meet around the communion table. Whenever these ordinances is rightly celebrated, the children of God are brought into a holy relationship to help and bless each other. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.